Taseer Kasturi Sperm Grow course. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Hope you are all doing well. Today I will explain about the course which name is Taseer Kasturi Sperm Grow course that is offered by Taseer Dawkhana Private Limited. This course is generally prepared for the patients who are affected by the disease male infertility. In today's program, I will brief you about the Taseer Kasturi Sperm Grow course, how it can cure the disease male infertility, why male infertility happens, its symptoms, reasons of the disease, indications, male infertility types, complete detail about sperm quality and quantity. Viewers, first of all we should know that what is infertility. Infertility is defined as not being able to get pregnant despite having frequent unprotected sex for at least a year. If getting pregnant has been a challenge for you and your partner, you are not alone. 10% to 15% of couples in the world are infertile, and there are several hormones which affects on a person for producing a child, like testosterone, luteinizing hormone, follicle stimulating hormone is a gonadotropin, a glycoprotein polypeptide hormone. Follicle stimulating hormone is synthesized and secreted by the gonadotropic cells of the interior pituitary gland and regulates the development, growth, pubertal maturation and reproductive processes of the body. Normal follicle stimulating hormone level in adult males are typically between 1.5 to 12.4 international units per milliliter. A high follicle stimulating hormone level in a male may mean the testicles are not functioning correctly, while low follicle stimulating hormone level in males may indicate problem with the pituitary gland in the brain. Luteinizing hormone is a hormone produced by gonadotropic cells in the interior pituitary gland in males, where luteinizing hormone had also been called interstitial cell stimulating hormone. It stimulates leading cell production of testosterone. For males, the normal range is 1.24 to 7.8 international units per liter. If luteinizing hormone levels are below the normal range, it may indicate a pituitary gland problem. The pituitary gland may not be making enough luteinizing hormone, which may lead to low testosterone. In general, the normal testosterone range in male is about 270 to 1070 nanograms per deciliter, with an average level of 679 nanograms per deciliter. A normal male testosterone level peaks at about age 20 and then it slowly declines. Testosterone levels above or below the normal range are considered by many to be out of balance. Infertility may be due to a single cause in either you or your partner, or a combination of factors that may prevent a pregnancy from occurring or continuing. There are two types of infertility: primary infertility and secondary infertility. Primary infertility is the inability to conceive a child after regular intercourse for at least 1 year, while secondary infertility occurs in couples who have previously been pregnant at least once but are unable to achieve another pregnancy. As per medical research, in 50 to 60% infertile cases, male have infertility problem. A number of causes exist for male infertility that may result in impaired sperm count or mobility, or impaired ability to fertilize the egg. The most common causes of male infertility include abnormal sperm production or function, impaired delivery of sperm, conditions related to a man's general health and lifestyle, and overexposure to certain environmental elements. Viewers, testicles are very important in sperm production. If testicles are not working well, then it makes a problem. There are two types of testicle disease. First one is hydrocele. A hydrocele is a type of swelling in the scrotum that occurs when fluid collects in the thin sheet surrounding a testicle. Hydrocele is common in newborns and usually disappears without treatment by age 1. Older boys and adult men can develop a hydrocele due to inflammation or injury within the scrotum. And the second one is varicocele. A varicocele is an enlargement of the veins within the loose bag of skin that holds your testicles. A varicocele is similar to a varicose vein you might see in your leg. Varicoceles are a common cause of low sperm production and decreased sperm quality, which can cause infertility. Viewers, now I will tell you about the sperm diseases. There are three types of sperm diseases named azoospermia, oligospermia and necrospermia. The first one is azoospermia. It is a medical condition of a man whose semen contain no sperm. It is associated with infertility, but many forms are amenable to medical treatment. Azoospermia's main cause is infection. It includes pus cell in semen, blood in semen, or presence of bacteria. This condition does not have any symptoms. Azoospermia is further divided into two more types: obstructive azoospermia and non-obstructive azoospermia. Obstructive azoospermia is defined as the absence of spermatozoa in the ejaculate despite normal spermatogenesis. Obstructive azoospermia is a common urologic condition and accounts for 6.1% to 13.6% of patients presenting for fertility evaluation. Non-obstructive azoospermia is defined as no sperm in the ejaculate due to failure of spermatogenesis and is the most severe form of male infertility. Second type is oligospermia. This is a male fertility issue characterized by a low sperm count. Other aspects of the sexual health of men with this condition are typical. This includes the ability to get and maintain an erection as well as produce ejaculation at orgasm. Sperm count in your ejaculate can vary throughout your life. As I have explained, normal sperm count is between 200 to 600 millions. So if a person has less than 120 million sperm count, then he has oligospermia. This disease is because of infection in vein, physical disturbance, anxiety and abnormal hormone level. Now I will tell you about the third infertility disease, that is necrospermia. Necrospermia is a condition in which there is a low percentage of live and very much percentage of immotile spermatozoa in semen. It can be diagnosed through a semen analysis with vitality staining performed to determine whether the sperm are dead or alive and immotile. Because of this, men are unable to make a woman pregnant. There are some conditions required for pregnancy. 50 to 60% of active motile. Good health is essential for both men and women. Male semen has normal sperm count. After every 72 hours, men should produce 1.5 to 5 milliliter semen. If a person is not meeting this given criteria, then he is not able to produce a child or make a woman pregnant. When a normal semen ejaculates, then he releases 200 to 600 millions of sperm. If he has 50 millions or less than 50 millions active sperm, then he is not able to produce a child. In mathematical expression, we have a formula: 200 by 75% is equal to 150 millions active sperm. 200 by 70% is equal to 140 millions active sperm. 200 by 60% is equal to 120 millions active sperm. Viewers, a man produces 50,000 sperms in a minute, 72 millions in a day. These sperm get mature in 84 days. Infertility may be occurs because of different sperm diseases. Taseer Dawakhana has been established since 1946 and you can recover from all these diseases by using Taseer Kasturi Sperm Grow course by Taseer Dawakhana, which is made with precious herbals and free from any side effect. Doctors and scientists of our institute, Taseer Dawakhana, work under the supervision of Dr. and Hakeem Tariq Mahmood Taseer, qualified doctors, lady doctors, pharmacists and Hakeems with prolonged research. Taseer Kasturi Sperm Grow course is a chemical-free natural supplement with no side effect. It is prepared from pure herbs and 100% effective. Taseer Kasturi Sperm Grow course is prepared under the medical principles and proper scientific methods with up-to-date machinery in Taseer Pharma Private Limited. Taseer Kasturi Sperm Grow course cure azoospermia, oligospermia, necrospermia, varicocele, hydrocele, pus infection, hormone level, maintain pH level of a person, increase the volume of the semen, thickness in semen, sperm morphology, every type of infection, and start producing sperms where person will be relieved from all infertility disease. Increase HGH hormone level, follicle stimulating hormone, luteinizing hormone, and normalize the sperm count of infertile men so they become fertile. Taseer Kasturi Sperm Grow course is a special course consists of 12 precious herbal ingredients, so it provides some extra benefits. Taseer Kasturi Sperm Grow course unique formulation contains safe natural ingredients which are known to increase sexual desire, sexual stamina and self-confidence by increasing peripheral blood flow because the ingredients in Taseer Kasturi Sperm Grow course highest quality and verified are purity. Their potency is much more effective, stable, predictable and efficient. As it is multi-purpose course, so it also boosts the sexual power of the person and improve physical health. Taseer Kasturi Sperm Grow course has some special herbal those quality is to and sexually satisfying experience which is specially prepared for those who has erectile dysfunction, ejaculation, duration problem, stiffness, length and with problem with penis. It is very safe and easy to use and made with 100% pure herbal extracts. For better cure, avoid sexual relation with partner during course and medication. Avoid eating potato, avoid eating beans, all spices and cold drinks. Use pumpkin, carrot, mutton, milk, yogurt, fresh fruit, honey, dates and fish. Don't put your laptop on your lap. It also affects your penis and makes you infertile. So why to do this thing? Quit smoking. Tobacco has multiple negative effects on fertility, not to mention your general health and the health of a fetus. If you smoke and are considering alcohol use, can affect the health of a developing sperm. If you are planning to become father, avoid alcohol and don't drink alcohol. Reduce stress. Some studies have shown that couple experiencing psychological stress had poorer result with infertility treatment. If you can find a way to reduce stress in your life, eliminate your infertility with Taseer Kasturi Sperm Grow course and spend happy life with your complete family. So viewers, if you or your known person has infertility problem, then come to Taseer Dawkhana and use Taseer Kasturi Sperm Grow course, which will cure all infertility diseases and problems. I hope this video was informative and helpful for you. If you like this video, kindly subscribe our YouTube channel and click on bell icon. I will see you again in my next video, in which we will discuss new disease topic and its treatment. So viewers, time to say goodbye. Have a nice day. Take care. Allah Hafiz.